Good day everyone, si Biker Vlogger ng Kabuyaw guys. Narating na itong Barangay Bayanan guys, Alabang, Muntinlupa City guys. Ito yung lugar guys na narating ng Biker Vlogger ng Kabuyaw. Yan guys yung mall dito na malaki guys dito sa Barangay Bayanan, South Park District guys, Alabang. Yan guys yung mall dito. Yan guys, South Park Center, yung mall dito guys. Dito guys yung dito, open park dito guys sa Alabang guys. Ito yung guys yung tambayan ng mga local residents guys, yung lugar na to. Magagandang lugar guys, open park. Maraming tao guys na nagkakon dito, nag-workout. Ayan guys, magagandang lugar. Marami na ito guys, may mga high-rise building. Magagandang lugar guys. South Park, Alabang, South Park District, Alabang guys. Yan guys yung mga high-rise building dito. Magaganda guys. Magagandang lugar guys. Abida Mall guys, South Park Center. Guys yung mga magagandang dito ng building guys, South Park District, Alabang. Ito yung open park dito guys. Bye bye na guys.